Push now.
What's good, everyone? Erika Oakley here of Infinite Discs. We're out here for another battle at Hitzman. We're gonna play some disc golf where the ratings are made up and the pars don't matter. I have with me
so many friends, but first me. Hi, I'm Tina.
My lovely wife, Tina Oakley. Fish in the chat for Tina. We have Friendship.
Friendship! This is Friendship Stinchcomb.
Friendship
yeah,
Stinchcomb.
That's me.
Erika Stinchcomb is out here traveling. And we have, from very far away,
From up north,
Thomas Gilbert.
The taller than all of us. I can't be next to him.
And of course, we have the man behind the cam, Zach Benson, king of the 8 holes. So, what we are gonna do today, the battle of Hitzman, is gonna be Thomas and I playing true worst shot. So we have to play our worst lie, and we both have to make the putt for it to count, against Zach, Tina, and Erika playing best shot triples.
Triples.
So we're gonna see who comes out on top. We're gonna have some fun. There's gonna be probably lots of throwing stuff at each other, making fun of each other. Good times. All right, let's go. Missy Ganon is going to be the disc we flip to see who goes first. Ganon, call it in the air.
Missy, butts.
You called Missy?
Yeah.
All right.
Counts.
All right, you guys want to go first or second?
Yeah. Wait, we both.
You guys going first or second?
We want to go first.
All right, let's see it.
Woo!
Dang.
Can't razz me.
I'm thankful for that guy who's not cool. Thomas! Alright. Just all this is through just trying to ace it now, yeah.
I mean, it doesn't matter if we
Acing it for the video would be cool.
They're still out. Oh, no pressure. Very nice. They both have to make this.
Oh no.
Okay. There we go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's a 15-footer. Like, what am I doing? For the record.
Oh no!
Yeah!
Yeah.
Partner! Thank goodness we have Zach. We'll cut those out.
Oh, get in.
Shove it.
Yeah.
Let's go, park it.
So good.
Thomas, let's go.
Woo!
There we go.
There it is. Woo, yeah.
Cyber trespass.
Yeah, Tina, nice shot. The putt.
You just call Thomas odd?
Odd.
Odd Thomas?
That'll work, bud. Yep.
Yeah, Eric. Alpaca?
Alpaca.
Wow, that was beautiful. Erica!
Let's go.
Oh yeah, it's turkey.
That's farther than.
Thomas, no.
That's like a lot farther than
Actually, I should actually putt this to get some extra putting
Yes,
practice.
but. Nice.
Woo! Squeaking, baby!
There it is. All right, Thomas. Let's go, Eric. Oh no! Pro tip for all of you wanting to be pros or amateurs, I highly suggest before a competitive round of disc golf to practice your putting.
Go through. Let's do a score update. Thomas and I are 1 over with no pars and 3 down. I got a 4-stroke lead after 3 holes. Sweet! Zach, you're playing like an absolute big brain genius today. What happened to the other Zach that was
Garbage?
That was
That was garbage.
He's out for
Where'd
redemption.
garbage that go?
I needed to
He's
not
up
play
for
as
redemption.
crap as I did last time.
No, dude, I love it. This is what we need.
Oh yeah.
Tina.
Oh, black.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
5.
Do it.
Let's go.
I missed 10 foot.
Do, 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 do.
Ah, I made a 20-footer. Let's go.
Woo,
There it is.
woo. Ooh.
So apparently 4 birdies in a row is called a badger. Let me know if that's a real thing or if my husband made it up, because I don't know. Badger!
Badger!
Not feeling it. No, just please keep flying. Yes. All right.
Please.
Dang it.
That's pretty.
There we go.
Eric.
Go in, Eric. Go in.
Oh.
Nice shot. Magic Warden?
Oh, it's magic?
Magic, actually. It's low. Not magic enough. Dang.
That was a good bid.
No golden sombrero for us.
Okay, bud. Practicing.
Yep. Oh, he's so good.
Yeah.
No.
I'm blaming Tina.
I didn't move.
Doesn't matter.
Who has the box?
That's what I was looking for. I put it like flat.
You probably have.
I don't know if I'm gonna do it. What's in the field?
You guys are absurd right now. Get out of here.
We're good and stuff?
Yeah. No. That's fun for us when we're losing.
Sorry. Our bad. Yeah, Erika!
Oh yeah, it's so good. Good shot, Erika.
Wow.
That was amazing. Yeah. Yeah, Eric. Purdy. Wow.
Nice shot.
Thanks.
Beautiful.
Step there.
Get a birdie, please.
We need it. We need it. Just go. Just go.
That was good.
Sit soft.
Good. That's fine.
Yeah.
All right. All right.
Oh my gosh.
Good miss. Good miss. Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
Yeah, you gotta dig a hole. That's how it works.
I learned from Tina. I dig quite the hole now.
I know.
It's all about the hole digging.
Yeah, check.
Yeah, we are through 6 holes. We are
1 over?
1 over still.
We're 5 down.
We went birdie, we went par, bogey, birdie. All right, we're still 1 over, and the other team is 5 down through 6 holes. Is that good?
How many?
Really good.
We still have a chance. We just need them to implode. They need to take doubles and triples, and we need to play it
3
absurd.
chances. You need to double ace it.
Double 8. That'd be insane. Let's do it. I'm in.
Oh no!
That's a start.
What was there?
Lord.
Yeah,
Dang it!
partner!
Nice shot.
Nice, Erika.
To my boy Paul King. Katstaplatz Berg.
Oh.
He's the only person who will get that, and maybe 2 other people.
Good thing to put on our YouTube.
Yes. Let's go, Berg!
Eric, okay.
Gilbert! Gilbert! Gilbert!
Oh, thank God they made the putt. I was getting nervous.
I like that. Buckets, baby.
There you go, Thomas. Good putt. Okay, putt, Eric.
Good shot.
Couldn't see it because it's the color of the night.
Come on, Brian, zone. Come on, Bearheart. Too long.
Nice, Eric. Oh, you're right there. Beautiful.
Ta-da!
Wait, no, come back.
Threw off the Emperor's groove. Got him. Here we have Thomas in a bush. Yeah, bush Thomas.
Push.
And here we have Eric in a bush.
Let's go, we're under par!
Woo-woo!
Push now.
Great round.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Think you can get
Yeah.
some on this hole?
Possibly. We sabotaged hard. Great.
Slap him. All right, last
We
one
got
score
this
update.
one. No, we don't do the score update
Do
after
you want to
that.
tell him?
We do the score update after the.
Okay.
That's cool, Tina.
Don't park it. There's a dog there.
Great shot.
It's odd, Thomas.
Yeah, bud.
Wow.
Get in.
That was amazing.
Oh.
Man, that was really far, actually. That was beautiful. Great job.
Thank you.
Oh no! Oh no!
Car just got a whole lot.
That's doable.
Oh, that's very doable. Let's go. Don't hit it. Don't hit it. Oh, we're alive. Staying under par. Oh.
Come on! Oh my god! All right. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. 8 down. How does it feel?
You guys shot 8? Oh my
I
god.
honestly feel like our best shot might have been like
8?
not
8,
like,
maybe
yeah.
9. Vinny and I shot 9 out here before.
Yeah.
Yeah, but God, you guys
Damn.
shredded.
Damn.
Yeah, one of them pretty much got every hole. That's all you need.
Yep. Pretty nuts. Nice. We got under par! Hey, get the frame! So that was episode 2 of the Battle at Hitzman. Team Erika, Tina, and Zach shredded 8 down. Might be one of the best scores we ever see when we play out here. That is on fire. Thomas and I shot 1 down with full war shot. Practice your putting, warm up your putting. That's all I can say.
That applies to everyone here.
Yes, but we had super fun. If you think of some ideas of how we can enhance the Battle at Hitzman, please let us know in the comments below. Make sure you like, subscribe, do all that stuff. Check everybody out. Where can they find you, Erika?
Check me out.
I'm on the Instagrams, America71262.
Nice. Thomas?
Thomas Gilbert 54.
Sweet. Follow him. Make sure you support their journeys in disc golf and support everybody who's in your local scene, shops, everything. Got anything? Wheelsacks.com.
Super fun
Oh
time.
yeah, go buy some wheel sacks. Why not?
And go to infinitedisc.com as well.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Card bag.
Work it. Work it. Oh. Yeah. Bag. Life.